Cell. The cell is the fundamental unit of life. We can say that cell is a structural and functional unit of life. The cell was discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665. The structure of cell looks like a little room. All living things are composed of cells. Every cell does some basic functions as exchange of gases, digestion, and absorption, etc. Note: the study of cell is called cytology. Types of cells. Ac. To presence of nucleus. There are two types of cells. A. Prokaryotic cells. The cell which don't have nucleus and cell organelles are called prokaryotic cells. They have only genetic material DNA. They are mostly present in unicellular organisms. B. Eukaryotic cells. The cells which are present in both plants as well as animals are called eukaryotic cells. They contain nucleus and cell organelles. They are present in multicellular organisms. Types of organisms. On the basis of number of cells, the organisms are of two types. A. Unicellular organisms. The organisms which consist of only one cell are called unicellular organisms. Here all functions are performed by only one cell. Example of unicellular organisms is amoeba, bacteria, etc. B. Multicellular organism. The organisms which contain large number of cells are called multicellular organisms. Here different cells perform different functions in multicellular organisms. Examples are plants, animals, etc. Some important organelles of a cell. 1. Cell membrane/plasma membrane/plasma lemma. It is the boundary of cell which separates cytoplasm from surrounding. It is present in both plant and animal cells. It allows some minerals in and out of a cell. It is flexible. It is made up of proteins and lipids. The substances can move in cell membrane by diffusion or osmosis. 2. Cytoplasm. It is the main part of a cell which is present in liquid form. All other organelles float in it. The cell is completely filled with cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is made from salt and water. 3. Nucleus. The nucleus of a cell is also a main part of cell. It was discovered by Robert Brown in 1831. It contains chromatin material which is made of protein and DNA. The chromatin materials are called chromosomes. It also contains nucleus. They are also called protein factory. 4. Endoplasmic reticulum. The function of endoplasmic reticulum is to transport protein from one place to another place. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum. A. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, RER. B. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, SER. 5. Golgi apparatus, BODY. It was discovered by Camillo Golgi. They receive the proteins from ER and also adds lipids and carbohydrates in protein. It also transports the material inside and outside from the cell. They are also called post office of the cell. 6. Lysosome. They are also called suicide bags. They are tiny particles containing digestive enzymes. The main function of lysosome is digestion. They also digest foreign materials and cell waste materials. 7. Mitochondria. It is a rod-shaped structure. It is also called powerhouse of cell or storage battery of cell. The main function of mitochondria is to produce and store the energy in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. It has its own DNA and ribosomes. 8. Plastids. They are present in plant cells only. They are of three types. A. Leucoplast. Its color is white. They are found in underground parts of plants. B. Chromoplast. They are of red or brown in color. C. Chloroplast. They are of green in color. They are found in aerial parts of plant. They are very important for photosynthesis. 9. Vacuoles. They are present in cytoplasm containing water, amino acid, sugar and some proteins. They are small size in animal cell and large size in plant cells. The main function is to store materials and remove excess water. 10. Cell wall. It is the outermost covering of plant cells. It is absent in animal cells. It is made of cellulose. It is rigid, strong and non-living. Note: lamella. The cell wall of two cells is joined by a layer which is called lamella.